Hey everyone, what's up? It's Kapil here, and today we're doing something straight out of a sci-fi movie. I'm gonna build a complete, playable Super Mario Bros. Game entirely from my terminal using OpenAI's Codex CLI. No IDE, no manual coding, no copy-pasting from Stack Overflow. Just me typing plain English prompts and watching this AI coding agent do the heavy lifting. If you've ever wanted to see what the future of game development looks like, this is it. Stick around till the end because the final result might surprise you. Let's jump in.
First, quick explanation for anyone new here. Codex CLI is OpenAI's official local coding agent. You run it in your terminal with one command, give it natural language instructions, and it can read your files, edit code, run commands, install packages, basically act like a super smart pair programmer that lives inside your shell. Today, we're going to tell it, build me a Mario game. Let's see how far it gets. Step 1. Make sure you have Codex CLI installed. If you don't, it's as simple as npm install-g at OpenAI/codex. After that, you have to log in. Just click on the link, it will go to ChatGPT's site and authenticate you. I start with a simple and clear prompt. Write a Mario game in HTML5 and JavaScript. It'll take 2 to 3 minutes to build. Look at this. Codex is planning everything out loud in the terminal, then writing the full game structure. Now, open the HTML file in the browser. Now we have Mario game ready. Just play this game. It is fun and exciting. Look, player can move left and right. Gravity is working perfectly. He can jump and pick the coins. Look, I have completed the first level. But wait, one thing is missing. Where are the levels? There is only one level? That's a problem. Codex will fix it in 1 minute. Again, give the prompt. Hey Codex, add 5 levels to the Mario game. Just write simple prompt and it's good to go. Look, Codex is working again and building levels. Now, game is ready. Now it's showing levels at the top. Let's me complete the first level. Now it is going to the second level. That's great. So there you have it. I just built a working Mario game using Codex CLI in the terminal. This technology is moving so fast. What should I build next with Codex? A Zelda clone? A full multiplayer game? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you want more AI agent coding videos. Subscribe for weekly wild experiments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome and don't forget to subscribe.